Hi guys! I finally arrived here in Bali. It's already 8:46 p.m. and I'm currently here in Ubud and I'm all by myself. Actually, it's quite strange kasi sobrang nakakatakot. It's in the middle of the rice field. Yung nakuha kong guest house. So, tatlong like villa siya. Tapos, I think, nasa gitna ako. Tapos, sobrang dilim ng dalawang next villa. So, I think walang taong naka-occupy or maybe nasa labas pa. So, ako lang mag-isa and I don't think I can go out anymore. I don't have any food right now. All I can do and the only option para makakain ako tonight is Grab. And I kinda miss their McDo here, diba? Everywhere McDo. So, that's all after 9 hours and 20 minutes plane ride and about 2 hours car from airport to Ubud. Finally here. And I'll update you guys tomorrow and maybe I'll do a little bit of room tour bukas, yung hindi na gaano siya creepy. So yeah, bye. Good morning. So it's my first day here in Bali. And I'm here in Kampuhan Ridge to go trekking. I'm planning to jog pero sobrang ng stairs. So hello, I'm about to finish my hike and breakfast. Now I'll book ride heading to the villa and then quick change and it's ATV time. But you will close it. What's mine? It's okay. Oh yeah, yeah. It's very, very. Right beside the door is the rack, which is very convenient, and a whole body mirror, and a bathroom. I already settled down, so I put my things here. Toilet, shower area. They have soap and shampoo, but I have mine as well. Mini table. I already set up my things over there as well. You have television, got queen size bed. Yeah, king size bed. I am always in this side of the bed, so I have my things over there. And I'm in a third floor, so this, at least they have a rack outside. It's a pool view downside. Here we have a rack. I need to laundry. So, maulan na naman guys. I need umulan. So, yeah. So I drove all the way here. It's currently 6:54 a.m. and I'm their first customer, but after me, may mga dumating pa. So usually, puno daw to. I'm supposed to run today, but I booked myself in Pilates, which will be 7:45 a.m. So, sinerch ko lang naman siya. Everything here is so I'm finally here at the parking lot. Need it. Thank you. Shoes. Do you have any more bookings for today? At 7:45? Okay, I thought I'm just the only one. Okay, at least I can have it by myself first. No. So, hello guys. It's already my 5th day here in Bali. So, I'm supposed to leave later evening to catch flights around 12 a.m. Pero, I extended for a couple of hours. So, I'm getting the 9 a.m. flight tomorrow, heading back to Doha. So, I think it's a Bali curse kasi yung last time na pumunta kami dito, nag-extend din kami. And now, sad to say, kailan kong bumalik na. Even though parang medyo ayaw ko. So, it's kind of gloomy here. It's currently 10:24 a.m. Nagising ako around 7 kasi nga I did laundry. And then, I'm planning to go now sa Seminyak village where parang mini mall siya na para naman medyo makapunta ako sa kind of town or like center ng Bali. Ayun ko kung center ba to, pero you know, the urban area. So now, I'm chilling sa rooftop. Kakatapos ko lang mag-breakfast. And story time last night. So, me and my cousin, we went to Motel Mexicola. And we had dinner at warung local. Kinainan din namin yan last time nung pumunta kami dito, and ang sarap ng food nila. So, malapit lang siya sa Motel Mexicola, and pumunta kami doon, party, chill. The crowd was very lit and nice. We just drank 2 bottles of beer. So, wala, very chill lang. And I am so happy. I mean, it's very, parang marirealize mo na people really wanna have, like, fun. Ayun, parang socialize. Siyempre, may iba't ibang intentions naman why people goes to party, goes to clubbing, like that. So, yesterday night, like, nag-observe lang kami, people are getting wasted, like that. But, you know, alam mo pa rin na they just wanna have some fun. Even though there's no other people, there's no, like, intimate connection between, like, the others. Because, di ba, minsan ganun naman talaga nangyayari sa clubs. Pero alam mo yun, like, wala. Everyone parang sobrang hype ng song, like that. So, afterwards, around like 11:50, we decided, we were there 8:30 p.m. Then, mga 11:50, we decided to go home. Pero, sa may Bato Bolong Beach, merong sandbar, like, after party. So, the same, everyone was, like, very drunk. So, tininan lang muna namin kung ano meron. Pero, hindi pa naman siya after party. So, wala pa masyadong tao. Then, we head home. Then, I slept around 1 a.m. So, yeah. I hope I can bring you with me today. I booked a facial later at 2 p.m. So guys, that's all. I'm just finishing my coffee from McDo.